Hello, YouTube viewers. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I just want to say hello to everyone. And thank you for your likes, for your comments, for your support. And wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope that you are enjoying your day off, your Christmas with your family or friends. And I'm here making some big ziti. And I'm waiting for like 2 people. And my hubby went out, so he's coming back. So that's it. Today, this is what we're doing. And I haven't gotten to post the tour that I told you about. But I will post it very soon. And I guess I'll just give you a little glimpse. One of my settings in the kitchen is this one. It's a Coca-Cola Santa. And I have 3 of those. I made a little setting here. They're all gonna play a game here. Well, like I said, I hope that you're enjoying your Christmas. And I'll see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching.